This video covers the triad, the arpeggio for the triad for the chord of F sharp major or G flat major. You see the key of F sharp has 6 sharps, and I explain all that in detail. The point is, in this triad, it's all black keys. Starting on F sharp, so it's F sharp, A sharp, C sharp. Because everything is sharped except the E. The E is the only note in the key that's not sharped, and we don't use that note in this triad. So it's black keys, all black keys. Now this is interesting. This poses a challenge because it's more difficult to play on the black keys because the keys are narrow. It's easy to slide off of them. It's easy to miss them. So we have to keep that in mind as we do this. The notes, as I said, are here. The fingering is here in the right hand, and the left hand, again, I use 4th finger. Some people use 3rd, I use 4th here. And this is not a beginner's key as far as I'm concerned, at least intermediate level. So you're going to do 1 and 2 octaves, 1 and 2 notes per beat. And the tremolo exercise is very, very important here. So just start, I don't care where you start, it's just one note per beat. You're just drilling this in. And then 2 octaves, 2 notes per beat. Thumb in the right hand. You see, the thumb does play a black key here, but only because all the notes are black keys. So we're using the little finger as a turnaround finger, but normally the thumb would play that note. Then for the arpeggio, just do it 1 and 2 octaves, 1 note per beat, and then 2 notes per beat, accent every one, and then every other one. So forth, and that's the intermediate level. Now for the advanced level on this, we're going to go the full pattern, 1, 2, 3, and 4 octaves, 1, 2, 3, and 4 notes per beat. Now here, because it's 4 notes per beat, you're moving along a little faster. And when you're playing on all black keys, it gets a bit tricky because you can slide off, and if you get nervous and your hands are sweating, good luck. I won't get into that. There's other videos on YouTube that cover nervousness and how to handle it. But I found it helpful when I'm doing black keys. Sometimes if I can approach the key at a slight angle, I have less chance of sliding off because there's more finger to catch it. Here there's not very little finger to catch it. You can't always do that depending on the position, but sometimes it helps to bring the arm out just a little so the hand can come out. So you're at a bit of an angle. Don't come way out, that's silly. But here, it's just easier because my hand's a little bit of an angle here rather than straight on. That helps a little bit not a big angle, just a little angle. It's all you need. So again, you can start here if you want. You can start down here, but this is fine for the F sharp. Just again, 1 note per beat going up, and then 2 notes per beat. Parallel and contrary motion, the whole bit. Then do the inversions. This is where the fun is. And I suggest for this will come down here because we're getting too high. So here, it's the same pattern as you've been doing. It's just that when you get to the contrary motion, your fingers are all jumbled up and you're playing only black keys. And you have to have it ingrained into your fingers pretty much what this pattern is, what it feels like, so you can do it without looking. Pretty pretty much. You need to be able to do this. This needs to be so ingrained, because when you do the inversions, you're crossing at different times and different things are happening, and you really need to, good luck. And do the first inversion and the second inversion here. Here, the whole pattern here. Yeah.